this is where we finished the last video at. I showed this picture of this object. Now we're going to go on and do the next question. So here, every car depreciates, decrease in value. Well, not every car. There's probably some Lamborghini or some fancy Italian cars that go up in price. They never go down, but most cars depreciate. A car has an initial cost of $40,000. It depreciates at 15% a year, so it goes down by 15%. So 1 minus 15% is 0.85. The initial value is 40, and then it goes to 0.85, and then T's at the top. So we've got our table, and now we're just going to put the values in here. So we got 40, then 0.85 to the 0. I know that one's going to be 40. It's going to be the initial value. Then we got 40, 0.85 to the 1. So we go to our calculator. Okay, we go 40 times 0.85 to the power of 1. Then you get 34. Goes down by 6. Then you get 40 times 0.85, 0.85 to the power of 2. Okay, so 40 times 0.85 to the power of 2. So 40 times you gotta get that point in there, 0.85 to the power of 2. And you get 28.9. 28.9. Then you get 40 times 0.85 to the power of 3. Okay. So 40 times 0.85 to the power of 3. And you get 24.6. Rounded, 24.6. You get 40 to the 0.85 to the power of 4. Okay. I want to move this down a bit. So 40 times 0.85 to the power of 4. 20.9. Just keeps going down. And then 40 to the 0.85 to the power of 5. So you get 40 times 0.85 to the power of 5. Plus 0, don't worry, plus, don't want to clear it all. 17.7. 17.7. And 40 times 0.85 to the power of 6. So 40 times 0.85 to the power of 6. And our last number is 15.1. 15.1. Okay, highest number is 40, and we got to go to 6. So let's go to our graph here. So let's move it over so we can put everything in. Okay, let's put the axis in first. So we'll draw this axis with the arrows up here. I gotta have enough room for the title. Okay, do the axis first. Okay, so we got axis with an arrow going there, axis with an arrow going there. Okay, over here is value of the car. Value of car in, I think, in thousands of dollars. Car in thousands, I believe. Over here is the time. And here we can also put a car value, I guess, as a title. We could center that if we like. We can put that right in the center. We got our 3 titles. Okie dokie, we got to get up to the number 40 here. Okay, 40 up there. So we go up by 1s, won't work. 5, 10s. Let's go up by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5, 10, 15. On the 4th one, we'll go to 20. Okay, so 5, 10, 15. Here we'll go 20, 25, 30, 35, and here we'll go 40. I think it'll be a small graph, but it'll be fine. Okay, it's a smaller graph, but it'll work over here. Okay, so here we decided to go 20. Okay, and here we decided to go 40. Okay, every second one. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 without typing it. I did it this time. Okay, and 0 over here. Okay, let's graph. At 0, we're at 40. So at 0, we're right here. We're right at 40. Right there, you can put a nice dot. Okay. At 1, we're at 34. Just a little bit above the 35. Right about there. Okay. Next one, we're at 28.9. So at 2, we're at 20. 20, just under the 30, right about there. Oh, over here. Let's erase that dot. Put that one back. So 2, 25, just under the 30, just right there about. Okay. Next at 3, we're at 24.6. So at 3, 25 is here just under the 25, right about there. Okay. On the next one, we're at 20.9. At the 4, we're at 20. This is 20.9, just over the 20. Okay. Next one, we're at 17.7. So we're 15 is here halfway between the two, right about there. And on the last one, we're at 15.1, just about at that 15, just about there. I'm going to try to draw my best curve here. Put an arrow at the end, and it's all labeled, and it's done. Okay. I'm getting better with each one by the looks of it. And same with you guys, you'll get better with each one. Okay, let's go to the next one here. So we'll go to the next slide if it lets me. Okay, so here I've got the next slide right here. This is on a computer software. I decided to do it. It looks more curved than mine. So mine's pretty close. It does curve down here. Okay, and then we got thousands. Maybe you guys can do a better job of thousands. Maybe I could have made that box a little bit bigger. Thousands. Okay, value of car in thousands, time and year, car value, and you're done in the graph. Now, can you guys finish the other questions on your own? So follow these two videos and then do the other questions on your own.